Hey guys, it's Scrappy K Sue. Alright, I have another Destash to add to my Destash giveaway that's been going on for a while now. But I have a problem, and if you've been watching my Destashes, I've mentioned this several times. I'm not sure people kind of know by the title of the Destashes, which is Destash Giveaway. I don't think that's clicking with some people, the ones that are buying or even the ones that haven't bought, but this is a giveaway as well as a Destash. The way to get included in the giveaway part is that you need to do a video promoting the giveaway Destash. And nobody has done that. So I think, and that was really the only thing other than buying something that was required, because one of the prizes was that you were going to get your Destash for free up to $50. And then I was going to send a second prize that was a really good prize. I mean, I was going to send more to the first place, but the second place I was too going to give a bunch of stuff. So I think I'm going to have to change the way that I do it. So I guess instead of doing this Destash right now, I will do the explanation. Because nobody is doing the video promoting my giveaway, then I guess I will just go ahead and do the giveaway to the ones that have bought from me. However, I'm going to lower the price of what you're going to get back as far as the giveaway part. From $50, I'm going to have to go down. I'll go down to $25. I'll do it in half. And also, I do want to send some extra goodies, so I'll do that as well. I was hoping to bring more people in, you know, through the promotions, the video promotions. And even if you didn't, you know, there's that thing, if you don't do videos, you can always, you know, share it or something. And I had one person that did do that, but she didn't buy anything. She didn't see anything that she wanted, but she actually did a share. And I'm like, okay. So I think if you're watching this, she knows who she is. I will probably send her something as well, just for her doing that. So I am going to make the changes on my notes and continue with the Destash giveaway, because I have a few more that I need, and there's also a lot still left over if y'all want to go back down through the Destashes and see if you missed something, or maybe you've decided you still want it. I think there was one lady that needed to get paid or something and then could get it, and I think that particular thing she wanted is still available. So alright, so this is the explanation. So I will start the giveaway, or the this next Destash on the next video. Thanks guys.